Sophia was a palliative care nurse who looked after terminally ill patients in their final days. While it was an emotionally demanding job, Sophia found it deeply fulfilling. She was able to ease her patients' suffering, provide comfort, and allow them to enjoy a dignified end surrounded by loved ones. Thanks to Sophia's professionalism, empathy, and kindness, families felt supported during their difficulties. On International Nurses' Day, Sophia's colleagues organized a surprise party to recognize her compassionate work. Established in 1965, International Nurses' Day is celebrated around the world on May 12, the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth. It aims to highlight the vital role that nurses play in providing health services. Nurses are at the forefront of patient care and the largest workforce in healthcare systems. They devote themselves to caring for people throughout life, during sickness and vulnerability. The current challenges in global health highlight the urgent need to invest in nursing education and leadership. By empowering nurses, countries can achieve universal health coverage and tackle new health threats. International Nurses' Day calls for policymakers and health organizations to maximize nurses' contributions by providing better working conditions, professional development opportunities, and an expanded scope of practice. A variety of activities are held on International Nurses' Day to honor the nursing profession. Virtual campaigns spread messages of thanks and encouragement on social media. Community events bring people together for talks, award ceremonies, or fundraisers. Many landmarks are also lit up in blue for the occasion. These celebrations boost the morale of nurses and stimulate public interest in healthy issues. Some nurses are nominated for awards recognizing their excellence in clinical work, leadership, or research. For Sophia, International Nurses' Day was a reminder of why she persevered in such a difficult vocation. The ability to impact lives and find meaning makes all the challenges worthwhile. With increasing demands for healthy care and an aging population, the value of nurses will continue to grow. By strengthening nursing as a profession, we'll build more resilient and empathetic health systems to meet the needs of our communities. Nurses like Sophia deserve appreciation and support. They guide patients through sickness, hold hands through fear, wipe tears in moments of grief, and help welcome new life. At the heart of nursing is the profound act of caring for those at their weakest and caring for humanity. That is why we set aside a day each year to honor these everyday heroes in their extraordinary profession. They inspire us with their compassion and humanity. They heal us with their kindness and skill. The world is healthier thanks to them. May 12 is International Nurses' Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Nurses' Day. Cheers!